Welcome learners. In this session of video tutorial we will see that how to use Canva, which is a graphic design platform used to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, documents and other visual contents. This app includes templates for user to use, where user can just choose from thousands of available templates to make a particular graphic content for himself. And the platform is totally free, and a person may have a subscription under this platform. So let us see how this platform can be used to create amazing graphical content. So let us see how to use the software Canva for graphic design. So first you have to open the browser, because Canva is a browser based software. It is a web software and you can access it through your laptops, PCs, desktops, etc. So to access Canva from your PC, you have to go to the Google first and then just type here C-A-N-V-A, Canva, and you will be directed towards the website. Now as you can see that the first website itself is Canva. So just click on that and you will be presented with a very good interface. The website offers you to design certain graphical artifacts that you will use somewhere. It may be used on your websites, it may be used in your schools. Many of us are in habit of making newsletters quarterly for the schools. We are in habit of making magazines. So this particular software can be used to design awesome content or graphical artifact. So let us find out what we can do with this particular piece of software. So first you have to log in or sign up to this particular website, because to use the services of this website one has to sign up. So since I have signed up long back in this website, so I will not sign it again. But what will happen if you are going to log in? So when you are going to log in, it will be presented you something like this. So either you can log in with your Google ID, or you can sign up with your Facebook ID or Apple ID, whatever ID you have, existing ID, you can sign up with that, or you may create a total fresh ID by sign up, by going to the step of sign up. As you can see here, this is sign up shown. Now since I have signed up long back, so I will just sign up with my existing ID. So here it is, I have signed up with my Google ID. Now as you can see that I have made a pretty good content over here for past 1 year or so. There are a lot of contents that I have made. Few of them I will show you just to make you aware what it can do. So as you can see that I have designed one particular newsletter for the school, and this newsletter was about this Ek Bharat and Shresth Bharat, and the newsletter can be designed like this. So this type of content you can design very easily in Canva. The templates are available and you may just have to place the things at correct place, and in very short time you can just design pretty good amount of graphical stuff over here. So let us find out what else we can do. So we can design newsletters. This is one of the usage. Apart from that, you can design your magazines. School magazines can be designed. It's all totally free. I have a free account. I don't have any subscription for this website. So it's a totally free account where you can create magazines like this. In a very easy manner you can create it. No requirement of any special knowledge or skill is required. You can just put the facts in a linear way and it will do the rest for you. Now let us find out what else we can design with it. So you can design infographics. A lot of infographics you can design. different types of infographics templates are available. You can choose few of the templates from there, and you can just design very awesome infographics in a very quick and fast forward manner, right? So these are the few things, few stuffs, graphical stuffs that you can design. Apart from that, you can design banners for your websites. If you are a person who looks after this Vidyalay's website, so you can just make banners out of this particular software. A lot of special types of banners can be created, as well as certificates. If you want to create certificates, then also you can look forward to this particular website. I have created one, and then there are many thing else you can do. Say for example, if you are the person who is looking after the Facebook of our school or Vidyalay, then you can create good banners, attractive banners, invitation banners for your Facebook sites, which can be posted on your Instagram, Facebook or Twitter handles. So all these things can be done very easily just by few clicks in this particular website. Let us see how to do one of them. So suppose that I want to create something which looks nice, some flyer type of thing. So what I will do, I will first simply go to all of my design, and here I can just search out. There is a search box above here. You can see this is the search box. Here you will just simply type flyers, and all the categories of flyers, all the design related to flyers will come up before you. So thousands of flyers categories are there, and you can customize these flyers. Say for example, now if you want an invitation to be printed for people coming back to the school, now your schools are going to just start back after a long time, and you want to invite your children back to the school by making a good graphical content. So you can do that, you can always do that. But remember, all these templates are not free. Many of them are paid subscription based templates, so you have to purchase them if you want to use it. So be careful while choosing them, because one has to choose those things which are free to us, which does not require any subscription. Or you can just create a blank flyer and just arrange the things over it as you like. So better would be to just go through one of the flyers, one of the templates, and then we can just start it. So we are looking for flyers for education, so I will just refine my search by typing flyers for education, and here you can see there are flyers for education that you can apply, that you can use for your particular task. Okay, so let us choose one of them. I'm going to choose this one, and after choosing that particular template, you can start with easily with doing whatever you like on this particular template. Now you can see that there are two pages, and there's a button called add page over here. As you can see, there is a button called add page. So you just click on that add page button to create more pages on this particular template. Now coming to the part that how to change the content of the templates. It's quite easy to change the content of the template. Clicking any area of a particular template will lead you to do something or some task. Say for example, if you want to change this particular piece of text here, which is written as summer art program for seniors, if you want to just write here welcome back to school, and then you can just put it, every piece of text can be changed over here. You can just put here are you missing your school? So here is when we are going to open back, and then you can just customize each of this particular thing. And you can just zoom in and zoom out all the contents, and then you can just write here Kendriya Vidyalaya Achrapada, and then you can write here name of the thing, or you may just delete it. If you don't want a particular section, you may just simply delete it. That also can be done by simply pressing the delete button of your computer keyboard. Now then there is something called the artistic thing. You can just remove it, you can just displace it, and you can place it anywhere on the content. You can just place it up, so you can move and customize all these things, right? So here is, if you want to add few more pages to it, you can just add page, and a new page will be created for you. And here now let us do something on this new page which is created by us. I want to add some text on this new page. So what to do? Elements. I will go on the left side. You can see that there is a menu called elements. Go to elements, and here you can see that these are the few things, categories of things that you can add on those flyers, right? You can add graphics, you can add multiple graphics. There are multiple graphics that you can add. Isn't it looks nice to add few of them? So let us add this one. I just clicked on this one and it has been added. So you can add any particular graphics or shape, right? Anyway, you can use them, and then you can simply put those graphics or content over your content, and then you can just go to lines and shape. If you want to put any lines or shape, you can do that also by putting the lines and shape over there. Now if you want to place some text, then you can do so, or photographs. Thousands and thousands of photographs are there. You just click on photographs. Now if you want to choose a photograph of flower, then just go to the categories of flower and you will find all the photographs related to flower. Just click on that and it will be added onto your stage. This is what we call as stage. The right hand side performa is our stage. So you can just put it anywhere, dragging it down and putting it anywhere, whichever it looks like. That is looks nice. You can just move it and you can put it there. And adjusting that, these things, you can create a great stuff which will look very nice and attractive, and surely your principal will be happy. So so a lot of things can be done. And text, of course, we can add heading, we can add text. A lot of things can be added. You can see that texts are also some illuminating texts can be added here. Cheers. So you can just customize this also by changing the color. By changing the color, you can customize them as you like. Those colors can be chosen. So if I'm looking, this one is looking nice, so I will put it here. So like that, a lot of colors, a lot of customization can be done on the artifacts which are placed. And then you can always zoom in and zoom out the font size. As you can see here, this area is the control area for your effects and the content of the font, etc. All these effects are there. You can animate them anyway. You can animate them. There are effects, there are animation you can do. A lot of animation can be done. As you can see, a lot of animation can be done. That means you can create graphics with animations. You can create graphics with animation too with this particular piece of software. So it's a very interesting piece of software which you can use to create amazing stuff. But the thing is that you have to practice a lot. Doing one or two, making one or two will help you. So just try it out in your free time and just explore your ideas and views and your aesthetics. Place the things at the right and proper place which looks nice, and that's all is what needed. Nothing is no photoshopping is needed. No extra skills like photo editing, etc. is needed. Everything is there. Just place it in at the right place and you can create great stuffs. So now coming to the text, there are a lot of wonderful text over here you can choose from. And there is more you can do it. You can just customize to a particular social networking platform whatever you are making. You can customize your things to Instagram, because Instagram has banners which are of particular shape and size. The Canva does it for you. You don't have to go for finding out what should be my perfect width and height of that particular artifact. You don't need such type of things to be thought of. Yeah, the Canva is having such type of customization for each of them. So now styles are there, audios are there. You can place audios also. So sounds can be placed in your particular thing. So you can just have sounds. Now as you can see, it is playing the sound. So you can just play with all these things in a while, and you will learn it. And it's amazing to learn this particular piece of software because it's very easy, super easy. I have taken just 1 hour or 2 hours to learn everything about it, and it's a very basic rudimentary thing, and anybody can learn. Even a beginner can learn this particular piece of software and can create amazing stuff. So this was Canva. Try yourself. If you want help, please contact and we will try to help you out. Thank you.